Hello everyone, this is morphine, one of the most revolutionary medical advancements in human history, and I'm going to be talking about its origins in nature. So, it was originally isolated from the opium poppy plant by Frederick Sir Turner, and he initially called it Principium somniferum. This was the first alkaloid that was acquired from the opium poppy plant, and also the first alkaloid acquired from any plant in chemical history, so it was an extremely groundbreaking discovery. This was named after Morpheus, the Greek god of sleep and dreams, as morphine is a narcotic drug. He discovered this morphine in 1804, and Sir Turner tested the compound on stray dogs and even in himself. One way that he determined that morphine was harmless to humans was by um, ingesting it the night before, and then in the morning feeling that he had a well rested sleep and had no pain after the night, and he also had no fatal injuries to him, so he deemed it safe for human use. So the uses of morphine include treatments of medical patients with moderate to severe pain in the body, usually in surgery or operation, and also it changes the way the brain reacts to the pain. One of the first major uses of morphine was in the American Civil War, when both sides, the North and the South, used to amputate soldiers because of the risk of infections. And to limit this pain, they heavily required morphine every single day, every single battle, to make sure that soldiers didn't feel too much pain. So the extraction process for morphine includes using weak acids to extract it from the plant, as alkaloids are extracted generally through weak acids. Um, then these alkaloids are separated by high-performance liquid chromatography. These alkaloids include morphine along with opium, codeine, and other narcotic drugs that you can find in poppy plants. And so this morphine is then recrystallized at a pH of 9.1 and then converted to morphine sulfate using sulfuric acid in the 1:2 molar ratio. Then it's finally sterilized in an autoclave, which is a steamer heater that's used to clean chemical compounds. So recrystallization, how it works is you'll have an impure morphine, and then you'll put it in hot water, boiling water, and then you take it out of that boiling water and then let it cool down. Then through this, the impurities will be rid of in the morphine. So this is the Rice method of synthesis, named after the scientist Kenner C. Rice. This is a hydrocodone synthesis, and it's one of the most efficient and proceeds in 30% overall yield of morphine in only 14 steps. So in a limited number of steps, it produces some of the most morphine compared to other methods of creating morphine in a lab. So over to the left is a 2D model of morphine made with various carbon rings and an alcohol group to the left. And also you can see that it has a chair that's more visible in the 3D structure on the right near the nitrogen. And the chemical formula for morphine is C17H19NO3. Thank you for viewing.